In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave or delete a team in Canva. To get started, open Canva on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Canva loads, take a moment to let the homepage fully appear so all menu options are visible. This makes it easier to find the settings you need without missing anything. From the Canva home screen, go to your profile. You'll usually find your profile icon in the top corner of the screen. Click on it to open the account menu. This area gives you access to your personal settings, account options, and anything related to the teams connected to your Canva account. Next, open your profile from that menu. This will take you into the section where your account details and organization settings are managed. If Canva takes a second to load this page, that's completely normal. Just wait for everything to appear before moving on, especially if you belong to more than one team. Once you're in your profile area, go to your teams. This section shows all the teams your account is currently part of. If you've worked with different groups, clients or organizations in Canva, you may see more than one team listed here. Take a moment to carefully identify the correct team before making any changes, because leaving or deleting the wrong one can affect access to shared designs, folders, or brand assets. When you find the team you want to manage, you'll see the available option to either leave the team or delete the team, depending on your role and permissions. If you only want to remove yourself from that team, choose the Leave option. This is usually the best choice if you no longer need access, but the team should still remain active for others. If you're the owner or have the right permissions, you may also see the option to delete the team. Choosing this removes the team itself, which may also affect other members and shared content, so make sure you only use this option if that's your intention. After you select Leave or Delete, Canva may ask you to confirm your choice. Read the message carefully, then confirm the action if you're sure. That's it. You've successfully managed your team settings in Canva. If you're following along, just move slowly through each screen and double-check the team name before confirming any changes.